Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a credit card on American Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in americanexpress.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official American Express website. Now, right from the homepage, you can click on the credit cards option to look for the various credit cards that are available. Once you click on this, you will be shown the various card options, and you can scroll through the various kinds of cards that you can apply for. You can also click on the compare button alongside to compare the various cards with each other. Now, after you find the credit card that you want, simply click on the apply now button. Now, once you find the card that you are interested in, you can also choose the design, and after choosing your design, click on the apply now button. Now, from the apply page, you will be asked to fill up your personal information. You can also click on Show Card Design Options to choose from the design for your card. Then go ahead and fill up your first, your middle, and your last name, followed by the name that you want to appear on your card. After entering these information, simply enter your date of birth, followed by your email address. Finally, enter your phone number, followed by your home street address and your apartment suite number, followed by the zip code, your city and state. After entering all of these, if you have a social security number, click on the checkbox and then enter your social security number. Finally, enter your total annual income, followed by the non-taxable annual income, which is optional. Finally, you will have to choose your income source from the drop-down menu. After entering all of these information, click on the Continue to Terms button, and then you will be able to submit your application. After your application is submitted, you will need to wait for the decision and approval of your card, about which you will be notified within your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get a new American Express credit card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.